Might be able to make a shot on him right here. What's up, guys? Today we're gonna do some squirrel hunting with my air gun. It is a Gamo Swarm Fusion break barrel air gun. It's got the 10-round mag and stuff on it. 4 different pellets here. I will show you all right now what the 4 pellets are. All right, guys, we have 4 pellets to test out today. We have the Gamo Magnums, the Gamo Impacts, the Gamo TSS 22s, and the Master Points. We're gonna try all of them out to see which one shoots the best, and then we'll use that bullet and take it hunting for squirrels. See y'all when I get to shooting. All right, guys, we're going to be loading up the Master Points, and we're gonna do 3-shot groups with those, and then we're gonna load the TS 22s, the Hunter Impacts, and then the Magnum Energies. So to load these into the magazine here, we select the slot, grab the pellet, and pop it in there. Just like that. So you see it's right in there. And then you're gonna move it over till it clicks. Let another one in. Alright, guys, I set up the target a different way and I got a new, more stable rest. So now we're gonna reshoot the Master Points and see what kind of group we get. Alright, guys, coming up on the target. That was our first group down there. It was a very bad rest. Second group, right here. That's about a little over an inch grouping at 30 yards. Aim for the P in prime. It's shooting low. I'm gonna have to bring that up a little bit, but let's shoot the next one and see what they did. All right, guys, next we're shooting the TS 22s. See how these ones do. Walking up to the second grouping. Let's see here. Okay, we were shooting here, even here, and we have 1, 2, and I have no clue where the third one went. I didn't even hear it hit the target. Maybe it was a weird dud or something, or it went through the same hole, but it doesn't look like it. We're just not using those right now. So now let's try the third one. Alright, guys, now we're going to be trying the Hunter Impacts. Let's hope these do better, because the other ones have not been doing really good. Alright, let's see how those ones did. Walking up on the third one. Let's see how good these groups did. Okay, we were aiming here. We hit 1, 2, 3. I actually shot at it 5 times, and I had 2 flyers here and here. So that one's not really that good. Let's just hope, fingers crossed, that we can find this last one to be better than all these. Alright, guys, last grouping. All these other ones have not done very well. Let's hope these, what are they called? Magnum Energies. Let's hope these can do better than all the others. Let's shoot an extra one, because I think I pulled that last one. Alright, now guys, let's see what those groups gave us. Alright, guys, walking up on this last one. Fingers crossed, it's better than the last others. Alrighty, I don't even know where this was hitting at this point. Got one hit there. I heard them hit all the times, but it looks like they've been hitting over to the right consistently. I might have to draw it over that way. I'm gonna shoot another group and see. Oh, them right there. One there, and the rest looks like they're all going that way. So, Yeah, they're definitely going this way. Across that edge. No rocks they were hitting. So I'm gonna go ahead and readjust that scope and continue shooting. Alright guys, it's actually the next day and I just got to the spot. I'm about to go see if we can go through squirrels and maybe a bonus rabbit if we see one. And it gives us a still shot because I'm not gonna shoot a moving rabbit with a scoped air gun because that won't go well. So see y'all on the GoPro if I see anything. Alright y'all, we're walking in. There's usually like a couple squirrels in here somewhere. And there's always some rabbits in this brush. So if I go through, I don't see any squirrels. Try and get some rabbits. Stay tuned, guys. Hopefully we can get something going. Alright guys, I hear something. Hopefully it's not birds. Go see if it's a squirrel. It sounds like it's just birds, but I'm gonna go and check it out. No, I think it might be a squirrel. I can't tell with all that brush. Could definitely be like 17 birds. I see one, I see one, I see one, I see one. Guys, there's one up in the tree over there. Alright, I see one in the tree over there. He's way too far away though. Gotta try and get over there. He's moving, he's moving, he's moving. He's way too far away. Guys, he's in that tree over there. He's in that fork. I saw him. He's going up this side of it. There's probably a hole up in that tree, though. Oh, there he is. There he is. I don't know where he's gonna go. He doesn't know what I am. Alright, he's about to move. If I can get about 30 yards, I'll take the shot. But he's way too far for this gun. Shotgun. If I had a shotgun, he would have been blasted by now. He's at the very top of that tree now. Come on, squirrel, where are you? There's definitely a hole up there somewhere. But I just gotta see if I can find where he is and try and spook him out. I don't see him. Man. Come on now. I need better luck than that. I don't see him, guys. Oh man. So sneaky. I need to put a corn pile out. Because there's a corn pile and a squirrel hunt and there's like 5 of them on there. Or I'm deer hunting, my bad. That's a squirrel hunting. Alright, now y'all, I'm gonna try to truck my way through this, back that way, and see if I can either scare up a rabbit or find another squirrel. Pick y'all up when I find another one. Guys, I just put the rabbit up right here. He stopped over there somewhere. Gonna see if I can see him. Alright, so there's and chase this rabbit, but I don't want to chase him too far. I should have been looking because this is where he was last time. I was trying to run back farther away. Dang it. Alright guys, I'm gonna see if I can cut around this way. Cut him off. But he's probably gonna end this thick stuff. Darn it. I was literally off camera just talking about, okay, there was a rabbit in here last time. I should definitely see him. Right over there I was talking about it. He was right here. And I was right here and he spooked. So I could have made a perfect point blank shot. Damn it. If I had a shotgun, I would have started blasting. But I have a pellet gun, that's not gonna do anything. And it will if I hit it, but I'm not gonna hit it. This is mainly a squirrel mission, but I'll take a rabbit. A rabbit I will take. Alright, catch y'all. Hopefully when I see something. And kill it. Alright guys. I'm thinking I just heard a squirrel run. I was walking on this path. I think I heard one in here. I haven't seen him climb any of these trees, so let's hope he's a squirrel and he's in here. And if I see him, I can most likely shoot him. So, let's hope. Not the most quiet. If he's in here, he knows I'm here. I don't see no squirrels. Sounded like it was right in here though. Could have been a rabbit running, but it didn't sound like a bird. It sounded like a hop, hop, hop. How a squirrel like kind of hops like that. But it could also be a rabbit too. Alright, I'm gonna go back to that one spot. Look through it. See if that squirrel pops back up, and if not, we're gonna head to another spot. And hopefully this next spot produces. Alright guys, welcome back in. Here's the tree that squirrel was in. Let's hope he came out to play while we were gone. There has been rabbits that sit in this tall grass right here. But there's probably one in there somewhere. I know there's one back there. But yeah. There's one in this tall grass. No, I don't think there is. It's usually right back in here. Alright. Let's walk back. But yeah, you can tell this is my campsite that I have here. Shucks of oysters and some charcoal out here where we keep the tent. Hopefully we can do another camping soon. And hopefully we can make a video out of it. Probably do it in the spring when we can catch a whole bunch of catfish out here. Because the catfish are gonna run real well in the spring. We'll do like a catch, clean, and cook camp out with like catfish and all sorts of stuff that we catch. So stay tuned for that, guys. Alright guys, we did not kill anything here. But we'll be back. Oh, I also stepped in coyote poop. Okay. Back to the point. Didn't kill anything here today. Got close, but didn't succeed. We're gonna go to the next spot and hopefully we can have more luck there. But we're not done here. Just letting you know right now. See y'all at the next spot. Alright guys, we're at the second spot. It's literally right up my house. But there's some squirrels in here. And I'm gonna give it a go. Wish me luck, guys. Alright Just about to pass them by. Alright, guys, let's see. Hopefully there's a squirrel in here. Alright, guys, let's hope there's a squirrel in here. I know there's one in here, but let's hope he's active. Usually I have in here somewhere, but sometimes he's over there. Two squirrels fighting over there, guys. Yeah, I can hear them fighting. I'm gonna try and get over this way. See if I can see him over here. Just need to get a good shot. Guys, I got him. Guys, let me see if I got him. Is that him down there? What? Did I hit him? Or were there two squirrels? Guys, did y'all saw that? A squirrel just ran off in there. That better be the same squirrel. Let's go see, y'all. No way. On this vine. I hit him perfectly. It was a body shot, but heck, I'm gonna have to replay that because that was like a perfect shot and he dropped right here. The heck? Maybe I should go for the headshot, but my rest was not as dirty as I like it to be, but just make sure he's not running around here somewhere. Alright guys, I'm back in my room. Unfortunately, I could not find that squirrel. For the life of me, I couldn't find it. And even after that, a second squirrel came down when I was reviewing the footage. I shot it. Well, I thought in the head, but I think it jumped as soon as I shot. I hit it too. I thought I dropped that sucker. And I went over there and he wasn't there either. So I assume I probably killed both those squirrels, but they just had time to run off and hide somewhere. And I did find a couple holes in the ground, and then probably went down those. So, yeah. I'm gonna switch pellets next time, and hopefully, kill him. But real quick, I'm gonna show you all the pellet I was shooting, and the pellet I'm going to be shooting. Alright guys, the pellet I was shooting are these Gamo Hunter Impacts. As you can see, has a very, let me grab it real quick. It's a very blunt point, made to have a really big impact and just hit it real hard. They're probably not maximized for penetration. Killed squirrels with these before, so I thought they worked good, but apparently they don't. But now I'm going to use these Magnum Energies with a big point on them. So hopefully I can get maximum penetration. So hopefully I can use these next time and put a smackdown on them. See y'all when I get back out there. All right, guys, it is the next day after yesterday. So what does it make this? Day 2. That makes this day 2 of hunting these squirrels and rabbits. Yesterday we had 2 non-confirmed kills. Probably killed them, but they weren't confirmed. Probably gave a fox a free meal last night. But we're back at the spot we were yesterday first. Hopefully we can kill a squirrel down here, because it's gonna rain tonight. It's gonna rain in a couple, like 3 hours after dark. But it's gonna rain in 3 hours, so hopefully the squirrels all know that it's gonna rain and they're gonna come back out to hopefully eat. And then I shoot them. End their day. But then, as you can hear, you can probably hear all the geese around me. A whole bunch of geese got up over there. They might be coming over here in this backfield. But besides the point, if we can take that rabbit, if we can find that rabbit that jumped up yesterday and see it before he sees us, or before he jumps, and shoot him, that's 1,000 times better than squirrel meat. Squirrel meat is not as good as rabbit meat. Rabbit meat is amazing. So, stay tuned for that, guys. Got the GoPro mounted on my head, and this should be a fun hunt. See y'all in the woods. God, I think I hear a squirrel. You guys, that's a squirrel. I hope this is a squirrel. Alright, guys. Just walked all the way from over there through this woods on this trail all the way over to here where we saw the squirrel yesterday right here, and he is not there. Not surprised. It's kind of gloomy today. I'm thinking they might have been out before the rain, but I guess they might have probably already out earlier when it was sunny and warm. But Saturday I was in school. Thankfully it's a Friday, so. But Saturday tomorrow's gonna be raining all day. Sunday though, it's gonna clear up. But now we gotta go in there and see if we can find that rabbit. Because if I kill a rabbit today, holy, it's gonna make my day infinitely better. I mean, let's put my scope's zoom to like the lowest it can go, so it's not like a poke, like I'm trying to find a needle in a haystack with my scope. Yeah, I don't see him up there. Freaking squirrel. Freaking hate squirrels. Freaking hate squirrels. Oh, he was right over here. Alright, guys, I do not see him, but it doesn't mean he's not there. Don't have a good angle. But I also don't want him to spook if he's there. Do not see him in there right now. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk over there really slowly and just peek in there and see if I can see him. And if he's in there, it's gonna be a really close shot. It's gonna be like 2 yards. Alright, I guess he's not in here. Or at least not in. No. He's at least not in that spot. He's in here somewhere, but he's not in that spot. Alright, y'all. I'm probably going to walk through here again a couple more times, see if I can find something. But hopefully we kill something today. If not, I'm going to continue this video until we kill something. Confirmed. Hopefully it's today. Hopefully. Guys, I just missed the squirrel. He's still up there though. He's way up in those vines. I see him though. I just missed him. He's way up there. If I shoot him now, he's probably gonna fall and get stuck in those vines. There's nowhere for him to go. He has to get out of there somehow. I missed him barely. If I can find a good shot around the back here, I'm gonna take it. But he is in there. I mean, he's in there good. I'll try and get him out of there. Okay. As soon as I turned off the camera, I saw him. He was sitting on this branch here, looking at me. But I flinched, and I was caught barehanded. I flinched, and he went to, and it shot just to the left of him. There's also new pellets, so. Let me see, there's a stick or something I can throw up there. Try to get him out of those vines. There's literally nowhere he can go. Oh, there he is, there he is, there he is. There he is. I see him, he's right up top there. I might be able to get him to fall down here if I can hit him. He's in the very top, he's going as tall as he can. That's good news for me. There he is, there he is. No. I missed again. Hit a vine. There he is. He's behind a branch. Oh, he's up there somewhere. I don't see him though. There's no hole, he's just up there. He's hiding in that thick stuff somewhere. I don't know how I missed him that second shot. I don't see him. I'll have to shoot at him again just to get him to move. There he is. I see him. I didn't think that was him, but that's him. He'll stop. Okay, I missed. I need to hit him. Man, I suck. It's on the other side of that branch. There he goes, he's going up in that top of that tree. How did I miss? How am I missing him? There, I got him. I got him. Or hit him. I hit him. I need to hit him again. Come on. Come on now. He's dizzy. Oh no. Come on, I think you got a shot on him. Yeah, good shot on him. Come on. Come on. I suck. Come on. Squirrel now. How's he not dead? How? How's my gun that off? I hit him. I literally sighted in this gun today. Okay. Then you gotta find his little butt. I hit him back though. He might die, he might not die. He's injured, I can tell. If my gun could actually shoot, I would have killed him by now. Is there one in there? Hopefully there is. I swear if there isn't. He's over in there somewhere. I gotta get in there. I can't crawl through here. Oh man. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. Where is this guy? Oh. Oh man, I think he got away. He went this way. Just gotta listen. He might be dead, because it's not enough to kill him right there. I don't see him in the trees either. He's definitely gonna die from that. But holy, what we learned from this, guys, is that I need to sight my gun in again, and I have a terrible shot. Wait, there he is, there he is, there he is. Oh my gosh, there he is. There he is. Okay guys, redemption, 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 redemption. He's in a freaking tall tree again. Holy. Holy. Holy cow, he's way up there. At the top of that tree. Holy, we have another chance, guys. We have another chance. He's in the very top of this tree. He's up there somewhere. I just have to shoot up there and get him to come down. There he is, there he is. Got him to come out, got him to come out. Come on, I need him to come out of there. He's in the top, he's at the top, he's at the top. I'm almost out of pellets, y'all. I'm almost out of pellets. This is not good, this is not good. I have 4 pellets left. Need to get somewhere where I can shoot him. Y'all, I have to just go get more pellets and come back, because I don't think he's moving. And if he is, he's not far. What time is it? It is 4:24. Okay. Okay, let me go out here and let me see if I can see him on the top of this tree. Oh yeah, I see him way up there. See him way up there? Might be able to make a shot of him right here. Oh, y'all hit him. Please, please get out of that tree. He's dead, he's dead. He's dead, he's dead. He's dying. Please get out of that tree. He's falling, he's falling. He's dead. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh guys. Oh guys. The mission is a success. Okay. Big boar squirrel. That last shot got him good. That went right where I was aiming. I don't know my first shots. I think I was just rushing them. Yeah, it hit right in the neck where I was aiming. Okay. Thankfully, he got his way out of that tree. Success, guys. Holy. We're down to 3 pellets. Let me get you all on the main camera. Okay, guys. We got him. Big old boar squirrel. I still feel his nerves twitching, but he's not a lot, because I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but the other side's really bloody. The last shot I hit him right back here, and it went out his head. So, but the first shot, it looks like I hit him, I think I hit him over here somewhere, and it went through here. He was probably going to die from that, but not anytime soon. But man, he is a big old boar squirrel. Holy. So, mission success. Hopefully, we can find another squirrel, but this hopefully isn't the only one. Goal is try and kill at least 2 squirrels today. So, see y'all when I, hopefully, am at a new spot on another squirrel. Alright guys, we're back at the house now after killing that squirrel. I'm not going to do a catch and cook with this video. We'll do it next time. How about that? So, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more content like this. See y'all in the next one. Peace out.